Hello, Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to a new special phrase of the day episode from Linguamid. In each episode, I introduce one daily use phrase in both modern standard Arabic and also in Egyptian Arabic. Before I dive into today's phrase, don't forget to check my first comment and enroll for 100% free in my online course Egyptian Arabic 101. It's designed for complete beginner and aims to give you the foundation that you need in order to start learning the Egyptian Arabic dialect. And also don't forget to like and subscribe to this video and subscribe to the channel, and also don't forget to share this video if you found it useful.
What is the time now? In Egyptian, you simply say الساعة كام دلوقتي. الساعة كام دلوقتي. Okay, so الساعة, it's the watch or clock. كام, how much. دلوقتي is now. الساعة كام دلوقتي. You may also hear it كام الساعة دلوقتي. So كام comes at the beginning also. This is how we say it in Egyptian. If you want to say what is the time now in modern standard Arabic, you say كم الساعة الآن. كم الساعة الآن. كم الساعة الآن. كم الساعة الآن. Here we don't switch. You can't say الساعة كام الآن. You say كم الساعة الآن, and this is how you say it in modern standard Arabic.
Did you find the phrase easy? Tell me in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the Egyptian Arabic 101 course. Enrollment in the comment section below.